guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all doing well. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to laminate your brows at home. So I'm very excited about today's video because I've never did any sort of these procedures before, and usually I'm quite of a pansy when it comes to this type of stuff. I mean, I'm very afraid of beauty procedures that requires like needles and pain and all that. So this for me is a very exciting beginning. So if you want to know what is brow lamination, the benefits, the aftercare, how I'm actually doing this procedure, then keep on watching and remember to subscribe, smash a huge thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's start up with the basics. What is brow lamination? For me, it's not a very known term, to be honest. I have found about this thing only like a couple of weeks ago when I was approached by a very interesting company, and they offer me a home kit where I can do everything by myself in the comfort of my home, which sounds absolutely amazing considering how freaking expensive is this procedure. Like, I googled and I found out everything and I was like, oh, this is an opportunity that I don't want to miss. It's a non-invasive procedure that involves straightening the brow hairs so they lie straight in the right direction. So what are the benefits of brow lamination? Well, let me tell you, there are a few benefits which are enough already to make me want to do this procedure. So some of them includes, it gives you a natural look. It makes brows fuller and more fluffy. It's needles free, so no pain, which is a big plus considering me that I hate pain and I hate all the beauty procedures that require like any pain whatsoever. And it lasts up to 8 weeks, which is absolutely insane. So I got this gorgeous pack from the company called Sassy Saints, and it's a brow lamination kit which looks absolutely gorgeous. Like, how freaking awesome is this package? I love the goldish beads, the minimalistic style, in a word, like very bougie. So when opening this package, I have here the instructions and a couple of PR leaflets, but the most interesting thing is that they explain you how to do this procedure like step by step, which is very awesome. Like, I'm an absolute noob when it comes to this type of stuff, so I'm very happy with this. And this is how it looks inside. Basically, you have a couple of bottles, and on each of the bottles it's a number. The number actually shows the order of the procedure that you need to do, which is very cool considering me that I'm a very clumsy person and I can mess up the things very easily. It basically contains everything that you need to do your eyebrows, and I think you have here enough stuff for like 6 procedures. I'll link down the description box below the website where you can get this kit. So yeah, let's get started. So you need to make sure that you start with clean eyebrows, free of any oils or makeup. So the first step is to take a mascara wand, which is included in the kit, and brush your brows upwards. The next step is to get a bottle which says stick it and carefully apply on my eyebrow. After that, very quickly grab the mascara wand again and brush brows while they're still wet. So the next step is to get this lip gloss wand and apply on my eyebrows the liquid from this very tiny bottle which says shape it. After that, I need to cover my eyebrows with some plastic lid and leave it for like 10 minutes, just like this. And I'm gonna have a cup of tea while waiting for this. 10 minutes later, and now it's time to remove the plastic film. And just grab a cotton pad and I'm gonna remove the residue. The next step is to apply some liquid from the bottle called Fix It with a lip gloss wand. A little bit of this. Oh, that was a lot. applying that liquid, it's time to get a new mascara wand and brush my eyebrows. The next step is to get again some plastic film and apply on my eyebrows. And maybe you notice a little bit, but I have a bit of redness. That usually happens with me because I'm very sensible and my skin is like so, it irritates like so quickly. So I'm just gonna get a little plasticky thing, which by the way is included as well in the kit, so that's very cool. I'm feeling like I'm putting some sort of Halloween costume on me. And according to the instruction, it says to leave it for like 6 to 7 minutes for fine brows, for normal brows like 10 minutes, and for Sandy Cohen brows for like 12 minutes. And yeah, just try to not touch and let the magic happen. Woo! 10 minutes later, and now it's time to remove my plastic film. Go be like, wee. Okay, it's time to remove the residues with this cotton pad, brushing on upper side, like sort of like the shape of the brows. After applying that liquid, it's time to get a new mascara wand and brush my eyebrows. Now it's time to grab another lip gloss wand and apply the liquid from the bottle called Boosted, which they claim that it's full of good stuff and this will replenish the skin, because I quite feel irritated. I don't know if you could see, but it's a little bit red around the area of my eyebrows. But I read that it's okay to be like this. I mean, it's fine. I mean, this thing is from threading, I guess, so it's just a minor irritation, which I think it's nothing comparing to the pain you could get from the needles and microblading. And let's apply all this goodness. And now as a final touch, it's time to brush my eyebrows upwards using again a mascara thing. By this time they claim you should have Cara Delevingne eyebrows. I mean, I definitely could see they are fuller, but are they Cara? You tell me. So this is the finished look, guys. I'm really impressed. I must say that I'm in love with these eyebrows. They look so much more thicker and fuller, and I think the result is really impressive. Like, it's very nice, and I think this is gonna make my brow routine so much quicker. I don't think I will have the need to actually fill them because they look so naturally longer and fuller, and I'm really impressed with this result. And this took me around like 30 minutes and it was very easy and quick to follow these instructions. So I think if I could do it, then I think anyone else can do it. It's very simple, but I'm really happy with this result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, to subscribe to see more of my future videos. I have some really cool ones coming up, and yeah, I hope you have a beautiful day. Until next time, bye.